Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove photosensitive videos from your TikTok For You page. So just go to your profile page and go up to the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings and privacy, and you're going to go to display under content and display. Scroll down until you find photosensitive videos, and you are just going to enable it, and this will remove videos using effects that may trigger photosensitive seizures. Now I'm not sure how foolproof this is, but hopefully it will remove some of the photosensitive videos from your TikTok For You page. And yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If this video was helpful, please select the thanks button in the I think it's above the description box below this video, of course. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.